I know you're thinking the same.
Good morning, good people. How are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for coming. I'm not always like this, like coming to you guys when I'm in bed, but today is Saturday and I want to vlog like the entire day. I woke up around 8 a.m. I went for my laptop because I wanted to watch Sharon Mundia, like the last couple of, I think the 2 videos that she posted I'd not watched. So I just wanted to, keep up and just see what's happening. So if you've been watching this channel, you know how much I love Sharon Mundia. And there's this video that I'm watching. My laptop is right here. Yes. And I'm watching that video that she did. It's called, I think the title is Social Media FOMO and What If I'm Left Behind, Taking Stock, So when I was watching it, I got to a part where she was talking about the plants, like how she's not a good mother when it comes to taking care of plants. And I was just looking at her and I'm like, oh my god, the way I love my plants so much. And today being a Saturday, I get to water my plants on Saturday. And yeah, so I was just feeling sorry for her, but I hope she's going to step up when it comes to taking care of plants. She's talking about a couple of things about how to take care of, like someone that she's working with. And yeah,
I figured that we said I stopped playing your game, girl. Yeah, I thought I could quit.
so good people, my bed is made, like it's neat right now, and I'm done watching Sharon's video. One of the reasons why I watch Sharon Mundia is because I get to learn a lot. I love spending my my time watching things that I can learn something from, and that's what I usually do when it comes to YouTube. Of course, yes, I have friends who are creating content on YouTube. Sometimes you watch because you want to support them, but most of the time when I watch videos on YouTube is because I'm learning something from it. And even those YouTubers who are my friends, I usually tell them that if you bring something that I'm going to learn something from, then I'm going to watch it because it's worth my time. But if it's something that there's nothing I'm going to learn from it, then I'm not going to watch it. I don't know what's happening, but the sun keeps going on and off. So anyway, that's that. So yeah, so even when it comes to someone who asks me if I watch gossip stuff, which I don't watch, but I'm not a fan of gossip stuff. So I don't watch gossip channels. Like there's Edgar Barry, which everyone talks about. I don't watch Edgar because I don't feed into that. As a content creator, they say that you're supposed to support each other, but if you're creating content that I learn something from it, definitely I will watch it. Like I'm going to watch it. And yeah, so Sharon was talking about the number of people that she follows on Instagram, and she had to limit it to, I don't know, I think 100. And I'm just looking at my Instagram and then I'm asking myself, who are the people that I follow? And then I'm just looking at it right now. I'm seeing I'm following 989 people as per today. And sometimes I think when I started my channel, the Instagram, all these social media platforms, what usually happen is when someone follows you, sometimes you feel like you're obligated to follow them back, like returning the favor, which I don't think should be the case. Like you need to follow someone if there's something that you're going to learn from them. And I have this 900 and something people that I follow. I don't know if they add value in my life, these people. I have no idea. You need to be very, very careful who you try to feed on, like what content you feed in, whatever you take in, because sometimes it defines how you run your day, like how you do your things. Anyway, I feel like it's already too late. I need to remove my pajamas and start this particular day, start by cleaning, eating something, I don't know, just something. Let me just add some chili. As you can see, I'm gonna have sausage. These are sweet potatoes, by the way. And then this is, of course, eggs. You can see. On tea, I stopped taking sugar, so this is what I'm gonna have, mint tea. And it's very, very nice, by the way. It gives my tea some flavor now that I'm not taking sugar. I just need something that, I don't want plain stuff. So at least I have to take something that will make me, enjoy my tea. Yes.
I've been running away from you. trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining, shining through. Yeah, I do. Well, that I do.
So great people, I'm back to you many hours later. By the way, I've showered, I've done so many things, like I've been cleaning, which there's still some stuff there which I need to clean, but I've done most of the stuff. I'm very hungry, by the way. My ugali water is ready. I made chicken, like I was able to boil chicken when I was cooking, when I was cleaning and all that. So it's ready and I'm just frying it right now. The chicken that I'm making is kienyeji chicken. I was able to get that soup from it. It's very yummy. It tastes so good. Like I had to blend it because of the chili and the garlic that I boiled it with. And I have some dania over here, tomato paste. Then I have my paste that I want to use blended already. On this side we have kienyeji chicken. This is just half of it. And then my water for ugali is right here. Then at the far end we have my usual, what do you call it, mboga ya kienyeji. Yes, I usually like it like that. It's creamy. You'll see it once everything is ready. Then we make the ugali. So there's a time I was hosting some of my Luya friends, by the way, and they were all male, and they made some ugali over here. It was done so quickly, but it was so good. Like it tasted so nice. I just love Luya people, how they make their ugalis, by the way. Final look, I wanted it wet. It's actually very wet, nicely. Yeah. And my mboga is also very ready over here. The ugali is also ready. That I can eat for I think 3 or 4 days. Yes. And that's the food. Remember guys, I told you that ugali I can have for the next couple of days, like 4 days. Yep. That's how the food looks like. I hope it's yummy. So good people, allow me to end this video here, but I have a couple of things before I end it. Yes, that's how my Saturday has been. Like, I mean, that's how my Saturday, most of my Saturdays are usually like this. Like I do a lot of cleaning, I do a lot of cooking, I do a lot of, I don't know, just many things, you know, like just making sure that everything is clean. Like now my bedroom, oh my god, like my carpet was full of hair because I've had my natural hair open for quite some time, and you know, of course, styling it every day and just combing it every day is just a lot of work. Like the hair keeps falling down. I don't know, like it was just a lot of work cleaning those carpets, but I'm glad that I'm done. So something else that I'm gonna do today is watch a movie and then read a book. After finishing this video, I'll go and read at least my book, my current book, which is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. I'm going to spend at least 1 hour reading it, and then the rest of the day I'll spend watching a series. There's a current series that I'm watching called The 5 Yuanas. It's a Mexican series, and I started watching it yesterday and I'm liking it so far, so I'm sure I'll definitely enjoy it. Again, there are 2 series that I watched and I really enjoyed, and I learned a lot from both series. They're all on Netflix. The series that I'm watching are on Netflix. So there's Maid, which I watched. It was very sad, good people. Like it was very sad, and it made me just appreciate my life more, like appreciate how things are in my life, and appreciate the fact that as much as I feel like Nina Teseka, the people were actually way bad, like way worse than me. And when I was watching that series, I was just like, I don't even have a kid. Like what if I had a kid? And then, you know, you get stranded. And there's also something that when I was looking at it, I was also saying that I wish, like, I don't want to spoil it for you, but these are just some of the things that stood out for me. And I think I spent half the series I was just crying. Oh my god, like I was just crying, like it was so emotional. It was such a good one. By the way guys, go and watch Maid. If you haven't watched it, please, I recommend it to you. You'll definitely learn something from it and you'll enjoy it. The other series that I will definitely recommend is The Smart Money Woman. This series is actually from a book. There's a book written by a lady called Arese Ugu. I've read this book, like I have it on my phone, by the way. Yeah, I've read this book before. I read it, I think, back in 2018 to 2019, and it was such a nice book. Like, it made me learn so much, and it made me like start thinking in terms of how I relate with my money. And this is something that I would definitely recommend someone to watch, unless, I don't know how you guys relate with your money, like how you treat your finances, how you know, but this is something that I would definitely recommend you guys to watch. I think we've watched it with all my girls. Jackie watched it, Kathy watched it, Mariel, I think, I don't know if Mariel have started watching it, but yes, she was going to watch it. And it's an amazing series, by the way. It is, like, there's so much to learn. If you're a lady watching this, please just go and watch this series. At least you'll be able to learn quite a number of things. Of course, when I read the book, there's usually a lot of details when you're reading a book, and there's a way you get to picture people, but now I was able to see them in real life. And I think Nigerian people, Nollywood, did good. They did justice to this book, like this series called The Smart Money Woman. So please, something I will definitely recommend you to go and watch. So great, people, I think we've come to the end of this video. If there's any series that you're currently watching that you feel is nice that you can recommend, please let me know. Just leave a comment on the comment section. Let's just build each other. Let's just make each other become better people in this community. If you've gotten here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do by pressing on that amazing lady popping right there. I don't know, whenever I change position, I usually don't know which side to point, but please press on that amazing lady popping right there. Subscribe, and please turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm posting. And until next time, good people, kisses to you.